time stars. Welcome to mathematics class. Today we will learn dividing 4-digit numbers. In activity 7 we are having dividing 4-digit numbers. So first question is 2315 divide by 2. So first of all we will write 2315 inside the bracket, that is dividend, and 2 as a divisor outside the bracket. Now first step is that we have to check the first number, that is thousands number on thousands place, that whether it is greater than, less than, or equals to the divisor. In this case it is equals to the divisor, that is 2 and 2. Now we will count the table of 2 where 2 comes, that is 2 ones are 2, and we will write 2 below the dividend and we will subtract. 2 minus 2 will be equal to 0. So we will take 3 down. Next step is we have to check whether a number will come 3 or a number less than 3. So what is the number less than 3? 2 ones are 2. That is 3 minus 2 will be equal to 1. We will remaining with 1, as 1 is smaller than 2. So division is not possible now. So what we will do? We will take 1 down in this case and it will become 11. Now we have to check a number either equals to 11 or less than 11. So the number less than 11 is 10, and where it comes? 2 5s are 10. That is, write down 5 on the top of the bracket and 10 below 11. That is 1 minus 0 will be equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. Next, now 1 is also smaller than 2. So what we will do? We will take 5 down. Next is it will become 15. Now 2 7s are 14. So 14 is less than 15 and suits here. So we will write 14 here. That is 5 minus 4 will be equal to 1. And in this case we are here remaining with the number 1. And division here is not possible because this one is less than 2. And the numbers are not there from the dividend to take down. So we will stop the division here only. And we are left with remainder 1, and quotient is 1157. So we will proceed to question number 2, that is 9567 divide by 8. So in the same case we will check the thousands place. It is 9. Only one number greater than 8 divisor. So 8 ones are 8. Here 8 will come. 9 minus 8 will be equal to 1. Now 1 is less than 8. So division is not possible. We will take 5 down. That is, it will become 15 here. And 8 ones are 8 again. And we will subtract 8 from 15. We got the answer 7. Now 7 is still less than 8. So we will take 6 down. That is, it will become 76. And 8 9s are 72. So when we subtract these two numbers, 76 minus 72, we got the remainder 4. Now 4 is again less than 8. So what we will do? We will bring 7 down. Then it will become 47. Now 8 5s are 40. We will having 40 here, and 47 minus 40 will be equal to 7. That is, quotient will be 1195 and remainder is 7, as the division is not possible after 7. So the third question is 3348 divide by 6. Now children, see here very carefully. This is 3348 divide by 6. In this we are having 3 on thousands place. Earlier we are checking the thousands place. So that number is, we have taken only one number. But in this case here it is 3. but division with 6 and 3 is not possible. So what we will do, we will take the two numbers together, that is 33. So we have to find now a number either equals to 33 or less than 33. That means if I count the table of 6 to 5, then 6 5s are 30 and 30 is the number less than 33. So 33 minus 30. When we subtract these two numbers, 3 minus 0, it will be 3 and 3 minus 3 will be 0. Next step, we will take 4 down. Again 6 5s are 30. Then 4 minus 0 will be equal to 4 and 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. Next step is bring 8 down. So 6 8s are 48. 48 minus 48 will be equal to 0. So quotient of this question is 558 and remainder is 0. The next question is 3153 divided by 3. Next is 3153 divided by 3. That is, we will write the dividend and divisor in the correct place, and 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. Then bring 1 down. As you can see now, 1 is less than 3. It is not possible to divide 3 and 1. So what we will do, we will write 3 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 will be equal to 1. Then we will bring 5 down. Because we will not bring two numbers down together, we have to put 0. Then we can bring the number down. That is, it will be 15 and 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 will be equal to 0. Then we will bring 3 down. That is, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. And quotient will become 1051 and remainder is 0. Next is fifth question. We are having 3212 divided by 4. When we divide 3212 by 4, what we get? 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32 will be equal to 0. Next we will bring 1 down. 1 is smaller than 4. So 4 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 will be equal to 1. And bring 2 down. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 will be equal to 0. So quotient is 803 and remainder is 0. In the sixth part, we are having 1985 divided by 2. 1985 divided by 2. So we will write 2 9s are 18 and 19 minus 18 will be equal to 1, and we will bring 8 down again. Then 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 18 will be equal to 0. Then we will bring 5 down. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 will be equal to 1, and the quotient is 992 and remainder is 1. In the seventh question, we are having 9526 divided by 7. Write the dividend and divisor in the correct place, and see this 9 is greater than 7. So we will write 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 will be equal to 2, and bring 5 down. Then 7 3s are 21. 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4, and bring 2 down. So 7 6s are 42. 42 minus 42 will be equal to 0. Then bring 6 down. As you can see here, 6 is less than 7. So what we will write? 7 zeros are 0. 6 minus 0 will be equal to 6, and this 6 is a remainder. So quotient will become 1360 and remainder is 6. In the eighth question, we are having 8132 divided by 8. When we divide 8132 by 8, we are having 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 will be equal to 0. Then we are having 1. Then 8 minus 8 is greater than 1. So 8 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 will be equal to 1, and bring 3 down. Again it will become 13. 8 ones are 8. 13 minus 8 will be equal to 5. then bring 2 down. 8 6 are 48. 52 minus 48 will be equal to 4. So the quotient here is 1016 and remainder is 4. Next is we are having the next question, ninth question. 6543 divided by 7. When we divide 6543 by 7, what we get? 7 nines are 63. That is 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2 and 4 down. Then 7 threes are 21. 24 minus 21 will be equal to 3 and we will bring 3 down. That is 33. Now 7 fours are 28. 33 minus 28 will be equal to 5. Then in this case we are having the quotient as 934 and remainder is 5. So you have to complete activity 7 in your notebook, and tomorrow we will do activity 8 word problems. Thank you, Shamstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day.